This is Jim Rouse at Bobby Combs RV here in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. We just got our new Ibexes in for 2023. There's some substantial changes that are really nice for getting in the backwoods. You have Coeur torsion axles now on it with coil overloads, really nice suspension system. They sit up good. Has onboard solar that powers all outlets up to 1,000 watts. Built-in safe, central vac, and even the new tire monitoring system that you can keep in your truck. So now you know if your tires are going low on you on the road. Come in and see Jim Rouse at Bobby Combs RV. Come see Jim and Chewy. We'd happy to see you, and I hope you all have a great holiday season.
This is a work of
Damn, the thing's a work of art. Got you pressed against the wall. Girl, I've been all around the world and you're the best of all. Damn, that thing's a work of art, so I know we about to get sketchy. I was drawn to you, just the way you move is sexy. It's a masterpiece. I wanna freaking grasp your cheeks. Shit, that thing fast as shit. She arts and no Van Gogh. Got that